Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Gemini API in JavaScript. First, you'll need to get an API key from the Google AI Studio. This key authenticates your requests. Next, install the Google Generative AI Client Library for JavaScript using your package manager. Finally, initialize the Gemini client in your code, passing in your newly acquired API key. This setup is quick and gets you ready to interact with the powerful Gemini model. Once your client is set up, sending a text prompt is straightforward. You'll use the generate content method, passing your prompt as a string. The API will then process your request and return a response object. You can easily extract the generated text from this object. Remember to include error handling, perhaps with a try-catch block, to gracefully manage any issues that might arise during the API call. It's a simple process to get started. For more dynamic interactions, you'll want to manage a conversation. Start by initializing a chat session. This keeps track of previous turns. Then, use the send message method to send your users input. The model's response will be added to the session's history, allowing for a continuous dialogue. This approach ensures the model understands the context of your ongoing conversation, making interactions feel much more natural and coherent for your users. To enhance your application, consider exploring advanced features. Streaming responses can provide faster feedback to users as content appears incrementally. You can also implement safety settings to filter out potentially harmful or inappropriate content, ensuring a positive user experience. Finally, always monitor your API usage and understand the associated costs. Efficient management helps optimize performance and keeps your project within budget. These tips will help you build robust applications.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.